Good morning, all my friends. Good morning. I am Binod Kumar Shah, area manager for Ahmedabad 2. I am very happy to say my area office Ahmedabad 2, first in the country to achieve the target. This was happened only due to extremely help of our respected RM sir, respected DRM sir, respected MO madam, and all ROM team and BO team. And we can't forget the extreme support of CEO marketing team time to time floated the competition for achieve the target, and that helped me to achieve the target. Once again, I thanks GM marketing sir, JGM sir, Mahesh sir, and RM sir visited in the city of Ahmedabad and motivated us. And we never forget the help of BDM sir, Mr. Vikrant Gautam, and our MIs, those who helped me to do this target. Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone, I am Sai Ram Krishna, Area Manager Sangareddy Area Office from Hyderabad back of Southeastern region. Sangareddy Area Office is achieving annual distribution target for last 3 years continuously. This financial year, we have achieved our annual distribution target of 210 crores by 30th of September itself. The biggest achievement during this period, we have approved an APF project for BHL employees. From this project, nearly 300 cases we have taken over from other institutions. This is a very good experience for me to handle massive campaigns. And I ensure Sangareddy area office will stand number 1 in A2B and also will reach 200% A2B by the end of this financial year. And I sincerely thank respected MD CEO sir, GM sir, for honoring me at RM's conference at Mumbai after completing the annual distribution target. This is a great moment for me to get a honor from the hands of MD CEO sir and GM sirs. And I sincerely thank our respected RM sir, DRM sir, MO sir for their support and guidance for reaching this milestone. I would thank my staff members and MIs for their support. Thank you all.
Respected sirs and madams, hello to everyone. This is P. Srinivas, Area Manager, Karimnagar Area Office under Hyderabad Back Office in Southeastern region. We have achieved our annual disbursement target of 240 crores in 211 days on 28th October 2021. We have been achieving our annual disbursement target for last 5 consecutive financial years. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the stakeholders who are directly, indirectly supporting to our area office. Right from the beginning, I would like to thank the management of our great company and most respected MD and CEO sir, and most respected General Manager Marketing sir, and most respected Joint General Manager Marketing sir for their continuous support and motivation given to us during the current financial year. I would like to thank all the team members in our marketing department for continuous efforts given to our competitive rate of interest and excellent marketing campaigns for the total financial year. On this occasion, I would also like to thank our most respected regional manager, Sri Jayaprakash Babu sir, and most respected DRM marketing, Sri Ramakrishna Rao sir, and other DRMs at our Southeastern region office for their continuous motivation and guidance given to us. On this occasion, I would like to thank our manager operations, Sri BSR Prasad sir, and HODs at our Hyderabad back office, and all other team members in Hyderabad back office for their excellent cooperation and support extended to our office. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the staff members in our area office and all the marketing intermediaries who are continuously supporting to our area office on this great achievement. On this occasion, I would assure to achieve our annual dream target allocated to us well before 31st March 2022. Thank you. Thank you one and all.
Respected sir, madam, hello. This is Pradeep, Area Manager, Vanasthalipuram Area Office. We have achieved a target of 250 crores on 26 November 2021. This is for the 5th consecutive time that Vanasthalipuram Area Office has achieved the target, and the entire credit goes to the excellent work done by our marketing intermediaries and the staff at Vanasilipuram area office who have been performing consistently even during the most difficult times of COVID. I would also like to thank our RM sir, DRM marketing sir, DRM HR, DRM recovery and manager operations Hyderabad Bureau for their excellent support, guidance and motivation throughout the year. I would also like to thank our most respected MDCO sir, General Manager Marketing and JGM Marketing sir for the encouragement and also for honoring our team personally in Hyderabad on achieving the target. I'd also like to thank our corporate office for providing competitive rate of interest and also for taking up various marketing initiatives which helped us accomplish our goals. I'd also like to assure you all that we'll be definitely achieving our dream target of 350 crores well before March, and also we'll make sure that QMLPA are made in. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Ram Charan, Area Manager Rajahmundry from Visakhapatnam BO, Southeastern Naru. Though we lost 2 months during this COVID second wave, we have achieved a target 4 months prior. In this context, we would like to thank all our stakeholders we have associated with us. The biggest challenge we have faced is maintaining the consistency and channeling the regular flow of business during the COVID. With the help of instruments and tools provided by the CBO in form of best rate of interest, campaigns, competitions and product mix, we have achieved the target well before the stipulated time. We would like to thank our RM sir, DR Marketing sir and MO madam for their support and encouragement throughout. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Mohan Reddy, Area Manager of prestigious office Kukatpalli. Last 4 years we have been achieving the target. As usual, when targets are fixed for the current year, we know it is a good volume and growth over the growth. We need to maintain more than 100 crores average. Initially we thought it may be very difficult to maintain the volumes and the numbers. We did some SWOT analysis, some challenges also, especially when we see the Kukatpalli office. Our share of non-core and APF base was very low. We thought we can improve this one, and handling the volumes is a big task for us. Of course, with the help of all the staff, dedicated staff members and all, this year from the beginning we have concentrated on the volumes, especially handling the volumes and non-core cases, and more than 25 APFs so far achieved, approved the APFs. That has helped us consistently. We can able to maintain more than 150 crores in this year for more than 7 months as on date, that which has helped us to achieve the targets easily, 1150 crores. One good strength of our office is having a good base of MIs who are doing consistent performance and dedicated staff with a lot of involvement and all. And naturally, when we are maintaining the volumes, people will get the doubt that there may be compromise in quality, but Kukatpalli is able to maintain good quality of the assets. Last 3 years, we are having handled more than 8,000 cases, but there is only 6 NPS as on date and less than 100 cases in default. We are striving hard to reduce the defaults also. People will believe that Kukatpalli is a quality and quantity unit. We sincerely thank our regional manager sir and DRM sir for all the cooperation and a good support from the back office, especially MO and sanction and disbursement team. We sincerely thank everyone for cooperating and encouraging and guiding us in this achievement of targets and handling big volumes.
Hi everyone, this is Ramesh Damira, Area Manager, Warangal Area Office. We are proud for being All India number 7th Area Office and achieving our disbursement target. and we struggled a bit in May and April and May due to lockdown, but we recovered very fastly from June 2021 onwards. And I would like to thank our MD and CEO sir, GM Marketing sir, for wonderful rate of interest of 6.66%. This made our job very easier in achieving our target. And message to colleague area managers, please do well and achieve targets in all counts very fastly. And I would like to thank our regional managers, Sri Jayaprakash Babu sir, DR Marketing, Sri R.K. Rao sir, and Manager Operations, Sri B.S. Prasad sir, for your wonderful support, guidance and motivation in achieving our target very early in the month of December itself. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, myself Ashok Kumar, working as area manager in Shimoga area office for the past 3 years. This is the third year running with Shimoga area office. Last year we achieved our budget and we stood as number 1 in country in A to B as well as in growth rate also. This year we achieved our budget in December month and we are aiming for further success to be in top in country. And last year this year we have faced a few problems like lockdowns and in corona situation and some other issues. But somehow with cooperation from our regional office, back office, as well as cooperation from our employees, as well as aggressive work from our agents, we could able to achieve our budget at the earliest. And we are very much thankful to our regional office, regional manager, as well as DRM sir, as well as MO madam, and RO, and as well as back office also for their cooperation. We are very much thankful to them. Thank you.
Greetings to all. I am Sundar, Tirupur area manager. We have achieved our target on 13th December on realization basis. Corporate office tools like rate of interest and competitions helped us to achieve this feat. We have done this achievement in 7 months and 10 days. I congratulate other area managers who have achieved this feat. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable MD and CEO sir, GM Marketing sir, Regional Manager sir, Joint GM Marketing sir, and Deputy Regional Manager madam, and Manager Operations, Corporate Office Marketing team, Regional Office team, Back Office team for their wonderful support to achieve this feat. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, this is Ankita Gupta, Area Manager, Nagpur Area Office. We achieved annual disbursement target on 14th December 2021. Being the 10th area office, we are continuing to achieve the budget. The main challenges I faced here after taking over the charge was to activate and active agents, imposing the trust factor, and making them realize the potential every agent and market has. I would like to thank RF Mr. Shubhata Ghoshal sir, DRM Mr. Yashwant Bodke sir, and MO Ms. Zusha Ani madam for guiding, supporting and motivating us throughout the journey.